Hello everyone, I am Janjan and I have made a model on water conservation technique. Chennai is the first city where groundwater is finally finished. So I have made a model on water conservation technique. This is a rainwater harvesting system. It means collecting rainwater on the roof of the building and storing underground for later use. This can be explained in a flowchart in detail. First it rains, then rainwater goes through this pipe and open into the storage tank. It contains different layers: coarse grains, gravel, broken bricks. Then ultimately it goes into the groundwater and it collected into the groundwater. Why we use this technique? It raises water table, it reduces the runoff loss of rainwater. It reduces flood and topsoil erosion. Now I am putting water into the rainwater harvesting system. Now it collects in this water alarm. Now this water alarm glows. This prevents water from running off. Here it is a water alarm. In the water tank, there is no system to track the water in the tank. Secondary problem is that when their water pump is started, they have no idea when it gets filled up, and sometimes there are situations where the pump keeps on pumping water to tank and water starts spilling out from the tank. So there is a wastage of energy as well as wastage of water. So there is a water alarm which has visual display when the water reaches to topmost sensor that it indicates the tank has been filled up and water pump has to be switched off, saving electricity bills as well as overflow of water from tank. This is the sewage treatment plant. In industries, produce wastewater which goes to wastewater treatment plant. First it goes into sedimentation tank where impurities settle down at the bottom of the tank. Then it goes into filtration tank, then chlorination tank, and then water is collected in collecting conductor. In every school, plantation drive is happening. All are having their pictures in newspaper plantation tree, but no one thinks for germination of a plant. Plant requires enough sunlight and water. The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, has initiated a method of conserving. So, this is an unglazed clay pot or oyas, are terracotta pots with a bottle or tapered shape that are buried in the ground. When the soil is dry, water is pulled out, and while the soil is moist, it stays in oyas. This pot is porous in nature. This pot is porous in nature. It allows osmotic pressure to suck the water into the soil when it is needed. This is a water sewer which provides endless supply of pure water from the air. It uses water vapor present in our atmosphere. It depends upon weather. When it is hot and humid, then evaporated water can make as much as 6% of the air we breathe. It is supposed to do work by blowing air into an underground chamber. During the daytime, ground temperature is lower than the air. This is the edible water bottle, which is a blob-like container made from sodium aragonate gel. The container named OHO by its creator. It encloses a small volume of water made from brown algae and calcium chloride. Smart charts are digital charts that tell the flow rate as well as the ability to say perfect temperature for each family member. When we are scouring our bodies, then water is flowing from shower. This thing wastes water, but smart nozzle automatically lowers down and saves water. This nozzle is easily installed and adjusted. It saves money while helping environment. This is the wireless washing machine or smart washing machine. This machine conserves water and its time saving. This is the smart water bottle. These bottles first filter water. The alarm sounds when your hydration is not complete. This is the spill-proof smart water bottle which we can use from any angle for drinking. It has 360-degree opening. Have made is water absorbing prone. Through this, rainwater is absorbed so roots do not break down and have a longer life. Plants need sufficient water to grow. Plants absorb water to the roots. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants. This is vertical farming. We don't have land, so we can do cropping in less space and plant more and more trees. These are the smart toilets which use very less amount of water. Have a view of it. Rainwater harvesting system. Sewage treatment plant and the water conservation techniques. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.